What if I told you there's a place in Thailand where time hasn't just slowed down, it's gone backwards? Today, I'm taking you deep in Ayutthaya to experience something truly unique, a market where centuries-old traditions are still alive. Welcome to Khong Market, once a historical tax checkpoint during the Ayutthaya period, now transformed into a living cultural experience. Here, vendors used to sit on the ground, and to shop, you had to bend down. From fresh organic fruits and traditional Thai desserts, this place feels like stepping straight into history. So come with me as we explore, test, and experience what life was really like in the old Thailand. Oh my, where else can you find this? The atmosphere, the music, everything is just amazing. Some souvenirs, some toys. Are these real? Located in Kanon Luang, this market sits in a peaceful rural setting far from the busy tourist crowds, and it's open from Thursdays to Sundays, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening, making it a perfect short getaway from the city. Charcoal stoves, these are usually used during mokota or at home when you want to roast something. Back in the Ayutthaya period, this area was known as Kanon, a checkpoint where taxes were collected and goods from different cities were traded. It was once a center of commerce where traders, farmers, and travelers came together. Today, that history has been brought back to life. You might wonder, what makes Khong Market truly special? Is it how it recreates the past? As you walk through the market, you'll find a wide variety of traditional Thai foods and desserts, fresh organic fruits and vegetables, often grown locally, handmade sweets prepared using recipes passed down through generations, and everything feels simple, natural, and authentic. These are amazing art pieces. If you're looking for some wall art. At this market, the experience goes beyond just food. Many of the vendors dress in traditional Thai clothing, adding to the feeling that you've stepped into another era. This isn't just about selling, it's about preserving culture and sharing it with visitors. Right at this stall, I spotted something refreshing, fresh honeydew melon. And just like everything else in this market, even buying fruit comes with a unique experience. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. Krap thing. This is honeydew melon, very unique for Thailand.
ทานเลยไหม
ครับ
ทานวันนี้ไหมหรือว่าไว้ค้างคืนได้
ไปกลับบ้าน
อ๋อไปกลับบ้าน
ครับ If you was asking me if I want to cut it from here, it will take you home. I think I will take you home. So right at this market, you can pay in two main ways, either by cash or QR scan. สแกนได้ไหมครับ
ได้ค่ะที่เสา
30 บาท3พัก
ค่ะสองอย่างค่ะร้านเดิมค่ะ
I have come across a small stall making Pad Krapao, and I think this is exactly what I'm having for lunch today. Sawadee krap, Pad Krapao, Krapao Ning, and Krapao Mukop Ning. Honestly, what better way to experience a market like this than watching your food being prepared right in front of you? You can hear it, smell it, see every ingredient come together, fresh chili, garlic, holy basil, all stir-fried over high heat. Simple ingredients, but packed with flavor. And remember, it is served hot straight from the pan with rice and that perfect fried egg on the top. This is Thai comfort food at its best. Spicy, savory, slightly sweet, everything just balances perfectly. This is what I love about places like this. It's not about eating, it's about the whole experience. Watching it being made, connecting with the vendor, and tasting something truly authentic. 2 plates. Pad Krapao Mo Kop Ning. Pad Krapao Mo.
หมูสับหรือชิ้นหมูสับ
ครับ
ก็เป็นถู
กับ2
128 บาท
ร้อย
128
this egg should be almost ready
สั่งได้ยังเอาออกเท่าไหร่ทะเล69กับ69ค่ะน้ำลายคือได้
ขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับ
กินนี่เลยใส่กลับบ้านอยากเป็นอย่างหนึ่งอันนี้คืออะไรนะกินอย่างหนึ่งกินอะไรนะ
My 2 plates are ready, fresh, hot and straight from the pan. I'm just going to top it off with some cucumber, a little freshness on the side to balance out the heat and spice. Right, that looks amazing. Simple food done right.
ขอบคุณครับ So we got mokop right here and the normal Pad Krapao. So you go to your egg right here, break it. Mix it up with the rice and pork. That's a spoonful.
That's really good. You get the instant heat of garlic and chili, nice and punchy but not overpowering. Then the holy basil comes through, slightly peppery, really fragrant. The meat is juicy, full of flavor, and the sauce is rich, slightly sweet, a little salty. Well, everything just balances perfectly. And with the rice, it just soaks it all up. And that fried egg on the top, that just takes it to a whole new level. Creamy, rich. It smoothens out the spice so well. Then you've got the cucumber on the side. Super fresh, really crisp. It cools everything down and resets your palate. The food was amazing, simple, flavorful, and exactly what you would hope for in a place like this. And just as I was heading out of the market, I came across something I've never seen or tried before.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
อันนี้อะไรอันนี้
อันนี้ม่อนไข่ครับ เป็นฟูส
Mon Kai.
ม่อนไข่
You eat like mango?
ผมมิ่ง
Mamang?
เชียงใหม่
Can eat fresh or you need to cook?
This is Mon Kai, or egg fruit, also known as yellow sapote. It's a unique Thai food with a bright yellow color that instantly stands out. I thought it was a mango.
I'm curious what it looks like inside. It's like mamwang? Like mango?
no
No? Tomorrow open.
ย่า
โอเคครับ ว้าว อร่อยไหม
พี่ลองดูที่โลน
โอเคครับผมครับ First time to see this. First time, my first time to see.
Inside, I'm told the texture is incredibly creamy, also identical to a hard-boiled egg yolk. That's actually surprising. It's soft, slightly dry, but creamy, like a sweet custard-like egg yolk.
Wow, this fruit is very unique. At first I thought it's a mango, but it's not. I'm told it originates from Chiang Mai. These other fruits I've seen before, but this in particular,
I'm told the flavor is mild and naturally sweet, not too strong, but really unique. It's a kind of fruit that's often eaten fresh, blended into smoothies or used in desserts. Now that was really unexpected.
ให้มันนิ่มหน่อยนะ
oh,
3-4 วันนะแจ็คแต่กินไม่ได้
4 day. Okay, ครับ
อันนี้ tomorrow
Tomorrow, ขอบคุณครับ
Okay, thank
ครับ
you.
ผมขอบคุณครับ
From incredible street food to unique fruits I've never tried before, today has been more than just a visit to a market. Khong Market isn't just about what you eat. It's about stepping into a different time where traditions are still alive, where people do things the old way, and where every small moment feels meaningful. Honestly, this is one of those places that gives you a real connection to Thai culture. If you're ever in Ayutthaya, I recommend checking it out. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this experience, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you try this kind of market? Till next time, let's keep exploring.